The Nuer people, an ethnic group primarily found in South Sudan and Ethiopia, have a rich and complex culture. Here are some lesser-known aspects about them. 1. Segmentary lineage system. The Nuer society is organized into a segmentary lineage system, where clans and lineages play a crucial role in social organization and conflict resolution. 2. Age sets and initiation. The Nuer have age sets and initiation rites that mark the transition from youth to adulthood. This often involves scarification and other rituals that signify maturity and social status. 3. Cattle-centric economy. Cattle are central to the Nuer economy and social life. They are used for bride wealth, in rituals, and as a measure of wealth and status. Nuer people often have strong emotional bonds with their cattle. 4. Religious beliefs. The Nuer have a belief system centered around a high god called Quath, or the spirit. They also believe in various spirits associated with nature, ancestors, and other entities. 5. Oral traditions. Nuer culture is rich in oral traditions, including storytelling, poetry, and songs. These are used to pass down history, values, and cultural practices from one generation to the next. 6. Conflict and migration. Historically, the Nuer have been known for their warrior culture and frequent conflicts with neighboring groups. This has often led to migrations and the expansion of their territory. 7. Resilience and adaptability. Despite numerous challenges, including civil wars and natural disasters, the Nuer people have shown remarkable resilience and adaptability, maintaining their cultural identity and way of life.